Okay, so the other ones have been in story form, but we're gonna do this one in real form because why not? This is day 3 of opening my holiday advent calendars. We're gonna start with the Trader Joe's chocolate one, and it has bows all over it. The 3 is right next to the 2. Let me get this open. We got a wreath. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, next we have our Trader Joe's 12 Days of Beauty advent calendar. I already found day 3. It's right here. So let's go for it. We have, wait. Let me just, oh, there's a tab on the side. I didn't see that. It's a illuminating daily facial sunscreen. SPF 40, tinted shimmery glow. Slay.